Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to open Lloyds Bank account for international students. First, you should open your browser, then type here in the search bar, student account Lloyds Bank. Then here, as you can see, it will show you this option. So you have to click on student current account. Then now you will see this button, click on ready to apply. After that, we'll scroll you down till this partition. Now click on continue on the website, and now it will show you this option. If you want to continue using your mobile phone, you should scan this QR code, but here in my case I will continue on my browser, so I'm gonna click on continue. And after that it will ask you if you are an existing Lloyds Bank customer, so I'm gonna click on no because I don't have an account. Do you already have a UK current account? No, I don't. Now it will show you all of these information. You can simply click on any arrow of these arrows and see more details, and after that click on next. Then now you have to fill in all of this information. So after you fill in all of these information and answer their questions by yes and no, you can click on next. Now you have to enter your address or postcode. So I'm going to type this one here, for example, and it will show you some options. So I'm going to select any option, and now it will show you all of these options. Now you have to type your address in details, then click on next. Now they will ask you some questions about your income. So now I'm gonna click on no. Then now it's asking you if you are currently employed. I'm gonna click on yes. What's your status? I'm gonna choose I work part-time. So they will have to gather some information about your financial status. And down below right here, you will have to enter your monthly income after deductions. Choose the total amount of savings. Then now you should answer this question. Are you tax resident outside the UK? So I'm going to choose no. Then I'm going to click on next. Now they'll ask you some questions. Do you have a partner or spouse? No. Do you rent your own home? Yes, I rent my own home. Do you rent from the council? No. Then you will have to answer some questions and fill in some information according to your answers up right here. So in fact, guys, it's an easy process, but you have to fill in all the information accurately, then click on next. And now they will ask you, how would you like them to communicate with you? So do you want them to send you notifications, emails, text messages, phone calls, or posts? So you can simply select any of these options. Then after that, you can simply click on next, and they'll ask you if you need extra accessibility support from them, and you can answer yes or no, then click on next. Now they'll ask you some more questions about how they will communicate with you and some about the accessibility and support options. So fill in all of these information. So you have to fill in this page also. They'll ask you how they will communicate with you. So if you have a speech difficulty or impairment, you can check this. If you need someone to speak slowly, clearly, you will check this. So you have to check the suitable options for you. They'll ask you also how we support you in branch appointments. So after checking all the options that you need, you can simply click on next. Then it will ask you if you want to switch from another bank to Lloyds. So you can simply click on yes. Then type all the information of the previous bank account or the previous card that you have with the other bank, or you can simply click on no if you do not have one, then click on continue without switching if you do not want to switch right now. After that, they will check your application, and you will now have to choose the account that you need. You will find down below right here all the details about the account and also the monthly fee and how much will cost you to open such an account. They have a lot of options. You have the Club Lloyds account, the classic account, the Club Lloyds silver account, and so on. So you can choose what is suitable for you. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.